Use the Now Assist panel in the ServiceNow AI platform to solve customer issues faster with assistance from generative AI. The Now Assist panel enhanced chat includes a dynamic, movable, and resizable chat window in a conversational interface with interactive views. Summarize content, get help, or get your questions answered in multiple active conversations. To activate Now Assist panel enhanced chat, navigate to conversational interfaces, select Assistance, and open the Now Assist panel platform default page. Select Display Experience, and from the Add Agent Experience menu, select Unified Navigation App Shell. Change the chat experience from Standard to Enhanced Chat. In our example, Enhanced Chat has already been selected. Now let's see how Beth, a customer service agent, uses the Now Assist panel to help her resolve an incident. To access it, she clicks the Now Assist icon. She uses the Unpin icon to unpin the panel from the browser window. She moves the panel around the screen and resizes it. The panel displays active chats, updates, and closed chats. She collapses them, then clicks the Enter Model icon to expand the panel. Beth needs some help with uninstalling a PC hotfix, so she asks Now Assist to find an article. Now Assist generates a synthesized response with options for her to try. She selects one to find info on the web. Now Assist proposes a plan to find the article Beth needs, and it looks good, so she approves it. With interactive views, Beth can show or hide the actions that Now Assist takes while executing. A side panel opens to display each step of the web search. The Live button shows that Now Assist is working, and it takes a screenshot of each step, so she can review them later if needed. Now Assist found an article for Beth. From the interactive view, it looks like what she needs. Beth hides the interactive view and uses the thumbs icons to rate if the answer provided was helpful. Beth opens the article and gets back to solving the incident. Using the Now Assist panel, Enhanced Chat provides an enhanced experience for your users to find information and resolve customer issues faster. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.